Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of Omise payment integration for Odoo. It enables the secure and the flexible online payments within the ERP system. It supports the Japanese currency, offering the real-time payment confirmation, multiple payment methods, and a smooth checkout experience for a growing digital businesses. So here for the first step, I have already configured the database and I'm just going to the website module, and under the configuration, you will find one option for the payment providers. So here you have to select the Omise as a payment provider. And for the first, you have to set up it in the test mode and select the company and the website name. After that, under the credentials, you have to add the credentials for this payment gateway. Now I'm just going to the home page and navigating to the shop and selecting one product and going to check out for the same. So here I'm selecting the Omise as a payment method. Here we have to add the card details. So after that, please make sure the country of region should be Japan. Now I'm just going to pay for the same. So you can see our payment is successful and one sale order is also created from the same. Now I'm just going to the configuration, and under that you will find one option for the payment transactions. So I'm selecting the latest one. So here you can see one reference and the payment method is also reflected over here, and the provider reference is also there. If you want to track the sale order, you just have to click on this. So from here also you can track all the details for your order which is made from the sale. So this is how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.